breaking updates coming in on the Bengal hate story with another BJP MP being attacked. So we've seen multiple BJP leaders who have been attacked in the recent past in West Bengal, raising some serious questions on the law and order situation in the state. And now we have the West Bengal BJP MP Raju Bista being attacked. He claims that his convoy was attacked when he was passing through Darjeeling, prompting the police to start a probe in this regard. Now, a complaint in this regard has been lodged by the BJP, and Bista, in fact, also took to social media, and he went on to say, and I quote, "I'm warning those who have tried to disturb peace today. We will not allow your nefarious attempts to succeed. We will work towards lasting peace in our region, and no force on earth can stop that from happening." So this is what he went on to say. And in fact, Union Minister and State BJP President Shrikant Majumdar has also condemned the attack.
क्या इंसिडेंट हुआ है आपके साथ? आज कॉन्वॉय के ऊपर हमला हुआ है।
देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में सांसदों के ऊपर हमला, पश्चिम बंगाल में भ्रष्टाचार, पश्चिम बंगाल में महिलाओं के ऊपर अत्याचार और पश्चिम बंगाल में जनता का शोषण, ये आम बात, ये पश्चिम बंगाल में टीएमसी सरकार की यूएसपी है। और आज जब पूरा नॉर्थ बंगाल, विशेष करके दार्जिलिंग तराई डूवर्स में प्राकृतिक आपदा के कारण जनता लोग परेशान है, जहां हमारे एक एक कार्यकर्ता, सांसद, विधायक लोगों को राहत पहुंचाने के लिए घर घर जा रहे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ टीएमसी के नेता ट्विटर और फेसबुक में लगे हुए हैं, और जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता या उनका सांसद, विधायक गांव-गांव पहुंच रहा है, तो इससे टीएमसी को तकलीफ है। इससे
My colleague Ridita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridita, the BJP MP says his convoy has been attacked. A police probe has also now been ordered into the same. What are the details?
As you see, yesterday evening as Raju Bista was passing through the Darjeeling area where recently we have seen a natural calamity and for which the entire area has been broken down and it has fallen apart. Exactly at that area, Raju Bista yesterday was passing through the Mazdura near Shukia Pokri, where recently we have seen that the entire road had been upturned. He was there and he was passing by. He was again there to identify all these areas and help the people, and he was attacked by the miscreants, even though we have seen that it is more than 5 to 6 hours that has passed by, but the miscreants have not been identified, just like how it happened in the case of Khogin Murmu and Shankar Ghosh, that it took more than 36 hours to identify the miscreants. Even in this case, we see that 5 to 6 hours have been passed by and nobody has been identified, and we see that...
In fact, we've seen many such incidents in the recent past where elected representatives, senior leaders of the BJP have also been attacked, and the BJP has raised some serious questions on the Mamata Banerjee government. Ridita, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back.